All right, let's look at our asynchronous word for today. Today's word of the day is the. Now let's read this word together. Ready? My turn. The word is the. Your turn. The word is the. Good job. Let's spell it together. Ready? T-H-E. Your turn. Spell the. Good job. What's the word of the day? The. Wonderful. Yesterday, for our sight word practice, I showed you how to do this choice here. Write your word 5 times on your whiteboard. Today, I'm going to show you this choice in the choice board. Write your sight word 5 times on a piece of paper in different colors. This is called rainbow writing. Now, to me, I love rainbow writing because I think that it just looks beautiful by the end of it. Can you say the colors of the rainbow? What are the colors of the rainbow? Who knows? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. There are 6, well, indigo violet. I know you're all getting mad and you're like, that's not right, Ms. Collins. But I say purple because I don't really know. Indigo is like purpley. It's a bluey purple. So we're going to write our name. We're going to write our sight word 5 times on a piece of paper in 5 different colors. So I have 1 color. So I'm going to write it once to show you. T-H-E. Did I go super fast? Kind of fast, but not fast enough. I made sure it was very clear and my best handwriting. I made sure that my T went all the way to the attic and then all the way to the basement, right? And I make sure that I use those lines to help me. So use 5 different colors and make it beautiful and rainbowy, and then hang it up on your wall so that it's gorgeous. You have done 2 sight words. Yesterday, what was our sight word? Can anyone remember? Yesterday, our sight word was can. And today, it is the. Let's read these words together. Ready? What's the word? The. Good job. Your turn. What's the word? Good. My turn. The word is can. Your turn. What's the word? Can. Good job, everyone. All right. Write your word of the day, the, 5 times on a piece of paper in 5 different colors and make it look beautiful for me. Have a great rest of your day.